Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation video. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Zalfa Aulia. Okay, now I'd like to give a presentation entitled Overcoming Challenge in the Workplace Strategies for Success. Before that, I will the reason why I chose this topic, because the world of work is constantly changing and new challenge emerges all the time. Discussing strategies for overcoming this challenge is critical to helping people success in their career. The discussion material on this topic is the definition of workplace challenge, the importance of overcoming challenge to achieve success, identifying workplace challenge, strategies for overcoming challenge, case study, and the last one in the conclusion. Alright, I will begin by explaining the definition of workplace challenge. We can see here the definition of a workplace challenge. Workplace challenge can be defined as a situation or condition that require extra effort, creativity, and the ability to overcome obstacles or difficulties that arise in the work environment. This challenge can stem from various factors such as high job demand, interpersonal conflict, a change in the organization, or differences in individual work styles. Next, there is the importance of overcoming challenge in the workplace. Overcoming challenge in the workplace is important because it can improve performance, develop oneself, encourage innovation, strengthen work relationship, and increase employee motivation. By facing challenge with a positive and solution attitude, employees can grow and develop personally and professionally, and help the company achieve greater success. Next, there is identification of challenge in the workplace, including less effective communication, inter-team conflict, unclear company policies, and the last one, high work demands. And there are strategies for overcoming challenge in the workplace, including effective communication, conflict management, clarification of company policies, and the last one, time management and priorities. The first is less effective communication. Poor or ineffective communication can lead to misunderstanding, uncertainty, and conflict in the workplace. A lack of clear communication between superiors and subordinates, between coworkers, or between departments can hinder collaboration, disrupt workflow, and reduce efficiency. The second is conflict between teams. Conflict between teams can arise due to difference of opinions, unhealthy competition, or a lack of understanding of each team's role. Unresolved conflict can disrupt cooperation, create an uncomfortable work environment, and hinder the achievement of common goals. The third is unclear company policies. Ambiguous or unclear company policies can cause confusion and uncertainty among employees. Ambiguity regarding company procedures, rules, or policies can hinder decision-making, slow response to change, and create unfairness in the workplace. And the last one is high work demand. High work demand can include extensive workload, tight deadlines, or unrealistic expectations. This can lead to stress, burnout, and decreases employee well-being. High work demand can also affect employees' work and personal life balance. Next slide is strategies for overcoming challenge in the workplace. The first is effective communication. Effective communication is key to overcoming workplace challenge. By communicating clearly, openly, and efficiently, employees can better understand tasks and expectations. Good communication also helps avoid misunderstanding and strengthen the relationship between colleagues. The second is conflict management. Conflict is inevitable in the workplace. However, it is important to manage conflict tactfully and constructively. By facing conflict head-on, listening to the view of all parties, and seeking fair solution, conflict can be resolved without damaging working relationship. The third is clarification of company policies. Clarifying company policies is important to ensure that all employees understand the applicable rules and procedure. By ensuring transparency and consistency in policies implementation, employees will feel more confident and can avoid confusion that can lead to challenge in the workplace. And the last one is time management and priorities. Good time management helps employees to organize work schedule, complete tasks on time, and avoid stress due to backlog of work. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, and utilize time management techniques such as to-do list and setting schedule to increase productivity. The following is an example of a case study of a company that successfully overcome workplace challenge and achieve success. PT Semen Indonesia Persero Tbk is the largest cement producer in Indonesia, headquartered in Jakarta in the early 2000. This company experienced challenge in the form of declining productivity due to old and inefficient factory equipment. This threatened the company's performance and profitability. To face this challenge, the management of PT Semen Indonesia decided to modernize the factory by making large investment to update almost all production lines. The company also implements an integrated quality management system to improve product quality. Another strategy taken is to increase innovation by conducting research to develop new products. The company also improves employee competency through various training. As a result, PT Semen Indonesia's productivity and financial performance increased significantly after 3 years of transformation. The company succeeded in maintaining its position as the largest cement producer in the country. Now, PT Semen Indonesia has transformed into a modern and superior company that continues to innovate. This case study shows how challenge faced systematically can drive a company's success. And the last slide is conclusion. Overcoming challenge at work is essential to achieving personal and corporate success. Some common challenges that often arise in the workplace include ineffective communication, conflict between teams, unclear company policies, and high work demand. To face this challenge, there are several strategies that can be implemented, namely by improving communication effectively, managing conflict constructively, classifying company policies, and managing time and priorities well. By implementing these strategies, it is hoped that challenge in the workplace can be overcoming optimally so as to encourage individual and company performance and success.